Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. I'm Net, a self-taught baker, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make these delicious caramel cheesecake cookies. Super easy to make, so if you enjoy watching quick and easy recipes like this, please leave a like down below. Also hit that subscribe button and consider joining the family. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first thing we're going to do is use some sugar cookie mix, which I'm using some Betty Crocker sugar cookie mix. And you're going to follow the directions that's on the back of the package. So all you really need is 1 stick of butter and 1 egg. So now I'm going to be adding my 1 stick of butter to my powder mix. And next we're going to add our 1 egg. Now we're going to combine our ingredients just until the dough forms. Now I'll be using a cookie scoop, or you could use an ice cream scoop, and just so I can get the right portions for each cookie. And I'm just going to place it in my hand and just flatten it out just a bit so that way it could spread out to my desired, size. So fam, I do apologize for y'all not seeing me for a couple of days, and that's due to me being not able to find out like what was my next recipe. Like I just got into a creator bubble, so I was just trying to figure out what was going to be my next move, and I wanted to make sure it was going to be something that I know you guys will like. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and even coming back in, checking in on me and stuff. I appreciate that. And if you're enjoying this video so far, please give your girl a like. Also share, tell a friend to tell a friend. I do appreciate it. Now we're going to stick these in the oven on 375 for about 12 minutes. Now while the cookies are in the oven, we're going to start on our cream cheese frosting. So right here I have about 2 8-ounces of cream cheese cubes, and I'm just going to blend this up until it gets nice and airy and fluffy. And to this we're going to add our powdered sugar, and you want to add 1 cup at a time, making sure all the ingredients are well combined. So once you added all of your powdered sugar, we're going to now add about 1 tablespoon of some vanilla extract. Once everything is incorporated, we'll be adding our frosting into a piping bag. In the meantime, let's get started with our caramel. So for our caramel drizzle, we'll be adding about 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream to our Werther's caramel bites, and we're just going to place this in the microwave on 30-second intervals, and we're going to just continue to do this step until it's completely melted. And I have plenty caramel melting breakfast videos, so you guys can also check those out. So now that our cookies have cooled down, we're going to go ahead and just snip the end of our piping bag. Now we're just going to cover our cookies with our frosting, and I like to just go around in a circle just so it can get flat to the cookie as possible. And it's okay if it don't lay completely flat. You could just take like a flat spatula and just spread it over the top of the cookie. So off camera, I had added my caramel to a squeeze bottle, y'all. So I'm sorry I didn't show you guys that step, but it's just very self-explanatory. You just put it in the microwave for 30 seconds, take it out, stir it, and you will know it's done when it's completely melted. And it should only take about 2 minutes depending on your microwave settings. So now we're just gonna top our cookies with our caramel drizzle. And when I tell y'all, these cookies came out so good. And if I could have did one thing different, I would have added a little more heavy whipping cream to the caramel mixture just so it could be a little more loose, because it starts setting, and you will see in the next video. So here go our caramel cheesecake cookies, and I'm going to do the little pull test. And as you can see, you see how that caramel started to set. So yeah, like I said, if I could have did anything different, I would have just added a little more heavy whipping cream. Shout out to my channel members. Thank you guys so much for becoming members. And if you guys haven't already checked out their content, go ahead and check them out. I will leave their information linked down below. Just do me one favor when you get over there and let them know that Net sent you. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video. And if you enjoy content like this, please consider checking out the next videos. And until the next video, you guys stay safe out there, and peace.